Hello everyone, it is Chris Clark with discgolf.law. I'm coming to you today to talk about the Stafford Woods disc golf course in Voorhees, New Jersey. Before I get into it, I want to note that there are lots of important documents relating to this issue that I'm about to talk about that apparently some individuals have obtained through a government Freedom of Information request or something similar. We have not seen those documents yet. I'd also like to preface this by saying that we have never been contacted by so many people about any single legal issue in disc golf before. This is one that definitely has a lot of people up in arms and is getting a lot of interest, and that's why we decided we wanted to talk about it. In 2004, a parcel of land in Voorhees, New Jersey was acquired by the Voorhees Township and the state of New Jersey for the purpose of protecting it from development and preserving water quality. Part of the funding for the purchase of this land was provided by what is now known as the New Jersey Water Bank. At the time, it was formerly known as the New Jersey Environmental Infrastructure Financing Program. That's going to become important later on in this video. So that was 2004 when the land was acquired. In 2012, the Stafford Woods disc golf course opened on this parcel of land. In the following years, the disc golf course was inspected multiple times by officials from the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection. It was inspected at least on 3 occasions, once in 2014, again in 2017, and again in 2020. The existence of a disc golf course on this property was never identified as a problem or any type of issue as a result of these inspections. Recently, an individual named Bill Green opened a business called Saddle Hill Winery on an adjacent parcel of land to Stafford Woods disc golf course. Mr. Green complained to the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection that this property that contains the Stafford Woods disc golf course is not in compliance and that it should be removed. And much to many people's surprise, the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection agreed. The issue here, or at least what I perceive to be the primary issue here, is the designation of the property where the Stafford Woods disc golf course is located as being limited to passive recreation as opposed to active recreation. This goes back to that EIFP program that I mentioned earlier in the video that provided the funds that were used to acquire this property. Property that's acquired through this program is subject to certain restrictions on the use of the land. And so therefore this land is limited to use for passive recreation. Apparently until now, it has been the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection's opinion that having a disc golf course on a parcel of land does not constitute active recreation, but rather passive recreation, and therefore it is permitted to be on a parcel of land that contains these types of restrictions. Doing our very quick preliminary research, communicating with several of the people involved, we still have not been able to find a clear black and white definition in New Jersey law of what would qualify as active recreation versus passive recreation. We did find some examples. Active recreation would include things like basketball, baseball, and soccer. We even found an example of group picnics being described as active recreation. On the other hand, examples of passive recreation include things like hiking, cycling, camping, and even cross-country skiing. Based on UDisc and other data sources, it is estimated that between 30,000 and 90,000 rounds of disc golf per year are played at Stafford Woods disc golf course. The course has previously been host to the Stafford Open, which has in the past been a Disc Golf Pro Tour Silver Event. From what we can gather, local authorities are set to begin removing baskets and tee pads from the property in the coming weeks. Local disc golfers have started a petition on change.org. If you would like to support the efforts to save the Stafford Woods disc golf course, there are probably many things you can do, but I know one thing that I would urge you to do is go to change.org. We'll put the link in the video description and sign the petition. As always, we really appreciate your comments and everyone reaching out to us. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.